Danielle is not the only storm brewing in the Atlantic. There is another hurricane. Hurricane Earl has strengthened into a Category 3 storm, so this means that it's packing winds nearly 120 miles an hour. The center of that storm is expected to pass near part of the Virgin Islands later on today. Lots of activity going on in the waters. Here's Natalie with more on when it might make landfall.
That's right. We are tracking that storm very closely because not only do we have Earl, we have Danielle that's weakening, and then another storm right on Earl's heels. So quite a lot going on in the Atlantic today. You can see just by looking at the visible satellite imagery of Earl just how much it's grown in just the past couple hours since this morning when it was upgraded to a Category 3 storm. Again, 120-mile-an-hour winds. And you notice those different colored lines there on our screen. Those are the spaghetti plots, or different forecast models that are forecasting the path of this storm, and they're pretty tightly clustered, mainly taking the storm a little bit further west than Danielle's track, and could impact our east coast later in the week as it continues to strengthen little by little each day. Now, just on Earl's heels, we have another area of circulation. This area, just an area of low pressure right now, but it has a good chance, 90%, that it could become a tropical depression over the next 48 hours. And again, following very closely on Earl there. Now, closer to home, here in Texas, we are tracking some wet weather ourselves. Of course, nothing very grand, but we do have some scattered showers, mainly over the coastal regions, but some of them are making their way to our southern and eastern counties. LaGrange, looking at a little wet weather there, a few shower cells, and then just a few smaller ones near the San Marcos area. We'll continue to see these through the rest of the afternoon, mainly east of the Austin area. About 20% shot at some showers and maybe a thunderstorm or two, and then once the sun goes down, we'll see those end. Live look outside shows partly sunny skies over Austin right now. Temperatures have climbed to the mid-90s already. We're headed to the upper 90s a little later on with that chance for rain. And then by 10 p.m. temperatures will drop into the upper 80s. A very warm evening is ahead for us. Now, when you add in the humidity, or how much moisture is in the air, it's going to feel hotter outside than it really is. You'll notice it the minute you step outside, but it feels like 93 already in Burnet, 97 in Georgetown. It feels like 102 here in town and 104 in San Marcos. So we can expect these heat index values to climb to upwards of 105 to 108 through the afternoon hours. Make sure you have plenty of water if you're going to be spending any time outdoors. Now, the actual temperatures are in the upper 80s and low 90s for the hill country, 89 in Burnet, low 90s in the metro area, and then some upper 80s still in our eastern counties. For across the area, we've seen these temperatures climb fairly steadily all morning long. Partly cloudy out of Camp Mabry, 94 there. Mostly cloudy, 93 out of ABIA. Winds southerly. That southerly breeze is what's helping bring all that moisture back into central Texas. And we'll see winds gusting up to about 15 miles an hour later on today. So a light breeze is possible. Now, satellite radar shows that our scattered rain activity really increasing across the east half of the state. And again, this continuing for the rest of your afternoon. We'll even see a chance for rain as we go through your Tuesday and into the rest of your week. So let's go hour by hour through your forecast. By 6 p.m. tonight, the activity is going to be fairly scattered. By 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. With the sun down, most of the wet weather ending, but the cloud cover is going to hang around. So early tomorrow morning, partly sunny skies. We're going to see a chance for rain developing along the coast again tomorrow afternoon. Some of those working their way west into our eastern counties and then dissipating once the sun goes down. About a 20% shot of showers on your Wednesday. Smaller chance into Wednesday. Now today, 98 degrees, mostly cloudy skies. There's that 20% chance of some showers and storms. Tonight down to 78 degrees, a very warm overnight. Again, quite a difference from the weekend. And for tomorrow, we'll top out at 99 degrees. Very, very hot and humid for the rest of your week. Wednesday and Thursday, I'm keeping a small percent chance for showers, mainly along our eastern counties. These are going to be very isolated in nature, and then a better chance for showers and storms starting on Friday. That's all due to a weak frontal boundary making its way into North Texas. If that drops further south, our rain chances will increase. It could even impact our temperatures, helping us drop down into the mid-90s.